A few showers out there along the coast this morning. That's where we have the highest chance for rain during the morning hours, and it's a really low chance. However, as we get to this afternoon and especially early this evening, a line of showers and thunderstorms developing, moving across Lake Okeechobee during the mid to late afternoon and pushing over toward the east coast during the early evening hours. Some of those thunderstorms could be strong. It's about a 50% chance for rain today, 70% chance for tomorrow as a cold front moves on through, then drier and a lot sunnier over the weekend.